What's up, y'all? It's Khalil Beats. You already know I got a rolling intro. We are winning. Welcome back, y'all. Why I want to go into semi-freeform dreadlocks. The reason why is because I want my locks to get thicker, guys. So what I notice is when you get the retwist daily, sometimes you might get it when you really don't need it, and your retwist might make your dreads thinner as the new growth just keeps getting longer and longer. So I'm gonna cut out the retwist, and I'm just not gonna do no retwist at all, guys. I'm not gonna do no retwist. The only thing I'm gonna do is moisturize, hydrate, and wash my hair. So, as you guys can see, it's been at least a week since I had a retwist, so that's my last one for right now, guys. That's my last retwist that I'm ever gonna get, because I'm doing semi-freeform. As you guys can see, I'm doing semi-freeform now. And what I do know about semi-freeform dreadlocks is, as they grow and become longer and longer, you do have to go inside your scalp and you do have to pull apart your new growth, because if you don't pull apart your new growth, it will try to your dreads will try to mat together and turn into one dreadlock or a couple. So you do have to go in and pull your dreads apart and stop the new growth from matting together. So if you guys do want to do semi-freeform, just be aware that you will have to do that. That's pretty much it, guys. Thank y'all for watching. I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Like, comment, and subscribe.